present.
Good
Good
morning
morning,
to
ma'am.
everyone. Good morning to everyone. Neha Pahava is present. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine.
We are fine.
Fine.
How are you?
I'm also
I'm
good.
fine.
How was your GK exam?
Ma'am, very easy and very good.
Very easy. And ma'am, very
Ma'am, very easy, very quick, and very
good.
good.
Very good, very easy, very quick. Anything
I'm very
else?
good.
Ma'am, what we are doing? Can you tell me?
We have not started with anything yet. Let's decide what we should do today. Tell me.
I'm reading.
Ma'am, we should do.
Reading.
Ma'am, we should do quiz. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
quiz.
reading.
Ma'am,
reading.
Ma'am, quiz.
Ma'am,
reading.
quiz.
Ma'am, quiz.
And the same type of quiz that you'll type in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I will
Ma'am,
write
yes,
it.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, who will
Ma'am,
be the first answer? He will get 1
Ma'am,
point.
I will be the winner.
Okay, let's see.
Utsav, I will be the back winner.
I will be the winner. Ma'am, from 2 days I am going to I am being practice for typing. Ma'am, I will be the first.
Okay, let's see.
I will be the first.
All
Ma'am,
right.
I really practice.
I will not give you one.
Ma'am, please tell the rules.
The rule is
Ma'am,
that
please tell the rules.
you have to type in the chat box. Your spellings must be correct. And the questions that I'm going to give you will not be just one word answer. Okay, it'll be long answer type. All right. The quiz
Ma'am,
that
who will
you're
give the
doing-
first answer? Ma'am, who will give the first answer? He will get point.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, you will.
Ma'am, who will give the first answer? He will get 1 point.
Yes, whose answer
Oh, yes.
and the answer should also be correct. Absolutely
Okay,
correct.
ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Quiz. What we will do?
We are going to
Ma'am,
do
can
quiz.
we start? Ma'am, can we start?
Wait, beta, Dev Arya, you're so excited. Just wait. Everybody understood what we are going to do today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whenever any question will be asked, you have to write all the rivers, all the names, I mean, whether it is rivers, whether it is trees, or it is the states, you have to write all the names.
Ma'am, where?
Where?
I'm in chat box.
Yes, you have to type in the chat box. Now, the first question is, what are the states that lie in the Himalayan region? Name all the states that lie in the Himalayan region.
Jammu and Kashmir. और
जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, हिमाचल, उत्तराखंड, है ना, सिक्किम।
Ma'am, anyone is helping to the answer. Himachal Pradesh. Ma'am, anyone is helping to the
Himachal
answer.
Pradesh.
Somebody is helping Utsav. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Utsav,
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
so?
Ma'am, I have here grandma or mom's voice.
My mother was saying, ma'am, because my mother loves geography.
Okay. So she was telling you, but
Give it the answer.
Utsav is not the first one to give the answer. The first answer has been received from Prasoon Gangwar. The second one has been received from Anshuman Gangwar.
Ma'am, it is not my fault.
Yes. The third answer is by Dev Arya. Now let me just check whether you have included all the states. No, children, no, you have given answer in so short. States of the Himalayan region are Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, and some parts of West Bengal. So let's see. I think Varun is typing the full answer. He will be the winner today.
Ma'am, it is good because my Prasoon is not
Ma'am, Varun has got the correct answer, ma'am. Now he can type. Ma'am, now he can type.
Yes, Varun can be the winner. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Ladakh, Meghalaya, Jammu Kashmir. Kushagra, you have still missed the states of Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland.
Ma'am,
You
please
have-
change the question. Ma'am, please change the question. Varun has got the answer.
So let Varun win. What is wrong if he wins?
Everybody is forgetting.
Varun has also missed these states of Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, Nagaland. Nobody is the winner. Nobody. 0 to all.
Ma'am, I have
Everybody
not
gets-
given the answer, ma'am. Please give me time.
Oh, yes. Anshuman has given the answer. Prasoon has given. Dev, Jayesh, Kushagra, Varun. Right. Utsav is left to give the answer. That's correct. Now Utsav is going to win.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is cheating.
This
This
is
is
not
not cheating.
cheating. Just to win, you
Ma'am,
are
this is
typing incomplete
cheating.
answers, which is not correct. Your answers should
Ma'am,
be yes.
Ma'am, but Utsav is doing cheating, ma'am. Ma'am, because he's saying when he's not doing the any other body is doing, then he
Ma'am,
also
even-
says that it is cheating.
Ma'am, why he has given the answer? Ma'am, it is their fault.
Why they have given the answer in okay to everyone? Now Anshuman has sent me the
Ma'am,
answer.
I have given privately.
Ma'am, I have sent
Excuse
it.
me. Okay, I have got answer from Saif Ali also. I have got the answer from Anshuman
Ma'am,
and Utsav.
ma'am, please check who is the
So
first.
three of them are winners. Anshuman stands first, Saif second, Utsav third.
Ma'am, Anshuman has already given the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So he retyped the answer.
Ma'am, we
He
can
made the
retype.
correction. Yeah, he retyped. He made the correction. What is wrong? All right. How many students are present in the class? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2,
And 8.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ma'am, please ask the next question.
Wait, beta, let me mark your attendance first. Yes. Now, the next question is,
Ma'am, what is next question?
which mountain?
Listening somebody.
I am speaking the
Ma'am,
question.
it is opening Google.
Beta, nobody is opening Google, Kushagra. Now listen to the second question. I will not repeat the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Name the mountain ranges that pass through Jammu and Kashmir. Name all the mountain ranges.
The Himachal and the Shivalik.
Anshuman, your answer is wrong.
Ma'am, I have given. Ma'am, please check.
Utsav, your answer is wrong.
Ma'am, who is the first now?
Nobody has given the correct answer till now.
Ma'am, please check my answer.
Wrong. These are the 3 parallel ranges. You have to name the mountain ranges that pass through Jammu and Kashmir. Yes. Devarya has typed the answer, but it is incomplete.
Yes.
No, Varin, the answer is wrong. Yes, Anshuman Gangwar is the winner. Anshuman
No, I also said the correct answer.
Okay.
and Prasun Gangwar comes second. Anshuman and Prasun are the winners of this round. The next question is, name all the fruits that are grown in Jammu and Kashmir. All the fruits. There are 9 names given. 9 of them should be there.
Figs, plums, apricot, peaches, and cherries.
So I get the answer from Prasun Gangwar. Prasun Gangwar, what kind of answer is it? And Utsav Gangwar, which fruit is apricot? Apricot. Children, you are so eager, so desperate to win that you're not giving time in typing. See, sometimes slow and steady wins the race.
Cherry,
But saffron is not a fruit. Saffron will be not counted in fruits.
cherries, nuts, walnuts, nuts, and almonds. These are the questions. Ma'am, have you received my answer?
Yes, I have received your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very nice. Anshuman is the winner.
Oh,
And then Varin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beta, we are doing that quiz competition of correct answer and who is the fastest typist.
Ma'am, please see my. Ma'am,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Devarya has also given correct answer.
Ma'am,
Kushag. Yes.
Ma'am, in all 3 questions, I am the first.
Yay.
Ma'am,
Very
now I
good.
will be slow and I will give the
Yes.
correct answer.
Now better
Ma'am, I am
be.
fast.
mine is also correct.
Ma'am, I am fast because I am not winning.
Yes, because you are too fast. That is why you're not winning. Very nice. So the fruits that grow in this region are apples, figs, plums, apricots, peaches, cherries. Then we have nuts also, walnuts also, and almonds also grow here. Okay.
Ma'am, Maya is correct.
Okay, the next question is, what are the famous products of Jammu and Kashmir? Name some famous products.
Ma'am, famous product.
There are 7 products.
7
Yeah.
product.
Yes. Name the famous products of Jammu and Kashmir. Utsav, why isn't your camera on today? Huh? Otherwise, you sit on a laptop, right? On a desktop. Today, your camera is off. There is some reason.
And because sometimes it can, ma'am, sometimes it's already on. Ma'am, I can on now.
Put it on. Yes.
Ma'am, I got the. No.
Name some famous products of Jammu and Kashmir.
Ma'am, Anshuman is speaking the answer.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, please check my answer I have sent.
Better mute yourself if you want to speak and write. Handicraft. Beta, what is Jhulan? Prasun Gangwar,
Ma'am,
what is Jhulan?
Ma'am, it's full what I write mistake.
Ma'am, I is correct.
I've also given the answer. Ma'am, please check.
Ma'am, I have given the answer. Ma'am, privately.
Yes. Prasun's answer is also correct and Utsav's answer is also correct.
Ma'am, who is the first?
Prasun sent it before you. And both of you have sent to everyone.
I have sent you personally. Ma'am, I is correct.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've just added 5 items. So the famous items of Jammu and Kashmir are handicrafts, furniture, Iramnaz. Handicrafts, furniture, woolen and silk carpets, embroidered shawls and dress materials, silk saris, and some fabrics.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
I
Ma'am,
have
before
sent
you
7.
speak.
Ma'am, I have sent 7.
Ma'am, I have
What
also.
is Badshah chalk, Lal chalk, articles, handicraft, traditional
Ma'am,
geography? They
ma'am,
were-
yesterday.
this is a Google
Ma'am,
answer. This is
no,
not.
ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday my father has taught me these.
But this chalk, Badshah chalk and Lal chalk are some places of Jammu and Kashmir. I asked you
Ma'am,
some famous things, some famous products. These are not products, beta.
Ma'am, I have given 7.
Ma'am, yesterday my father has taught me.
Very good. Okay. Iram Naz, yes. Acha. Iram Naz has named paper mache, firan, kahwa, handicrafts, woolen and silk carpets, embroidered shawls, material. Yes. Your answer is also correct. But paper mache is not a product, beta. It is a complete industry of that state, of that union territory. It can't be counted in a product. Then the next one is, which are the two main festivals of Kashmir? Hurry up and type, just two festivals of Jammu and Kashmir. Which are the famous two festivals?
Ma'am, Kevin.
Yes, very quick. Utsav comes first, Prasun second, Saif Ali third.
Ma'am, now I have to give one also answer. So I will be at the Anshuman.
Mahashivratri and Eid.
Very nice. The next is, yes, Iram, I can't hear you. I'm thinking of the next question.
Not get
Ma'am,
the
one more
point.
question you can ask.
I'm thinking of a question. Okay, which languages are spoken in the state of Himachal Pradesh? Which all languages are spoken in the state of Himachal
Hindi,
Pradesh?
Punjabi, Punari, and Pahari.
Jayesh is the first one to answer, then Devarya. But Devarya, Kanumuri is no language and Pakdi is also no language. Your Google mic has not detected these two languages correctly. Right? You're speaking on the mic, huh? Jayesh and Dev.
Ma'am, I am not speaking on the mic.
Yes?
And
Who is the first one to answer?
Jayesh.
Ma'am,
Jayesh comes first. Then it's Devarya with two spelling mistakes. Then it's Anshuman.
Ma'am, Google has
second.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
Prasun Gangwar, you come after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students. You come after 7 students. Okay. So the languages spoken in this area are Hindi, Punjabi, Kinnauri, and Pahari. Right?
Yes,
Now.
ma'am.
Yes.
One question.
Yes, ma'am. One more question.
Name the popular holiday destinations of Himachal Pradesh.
Shimla, Kullu, Manali, and Dalhousie.
See, somebody is still speaking on this mic. Anshuman Gangwar, you are using Google mic.
Ma'am, who is the first?
In answering, Anshuman is first. In typing, Utsav is first.
Ma'am, ma'am, I am at Anshuman.
Ma'am, who is third and second? Ma'am, who is second and third?
Wait, I'll tell you.
Ma'am, we are at the first rank. Ma'am, Anshuman and I.
Ma'am, Utsav has got 3 points. I have got 4 points.
Oh, what about me? Ma'am,
Okay, it was
Ma'am, I will score 1 mark more.
Anshuman, Utsav, Saif. Saif, you have not written Dalhousie. Devarya, Iramnath,
Ma'am, I have written.
Prasun, and Varin.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my answer is correct or not?
Ma'am,
Yes, it's correct. Varun, it's correct.
ma'am, Saif is not written Dalhousie, so ma'am, I am the second. No, I am the third.
Yes, you are the third.
Ma'am, I have got 2 marks.
Very nice. 2 points.
Ma'am, I 3. Ma'am, I 3 and Anshuman 4. Ma'am, I am second rank. Ma'am, Anshuman first.
I'm third rank.
Now I'm giving you a long answer. Let me see who types it first. Long answer. Describe the vegetation of Uttarakhand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell the question again?
Describe the vegetation of Uttarakhand.
Ma'am, I have given the answer. Ma'am, please see.
Yes, I received the answer from Dev Arya.
Ma'am, mine is correct or not?
Yes, beta, it's correct.
Ma'am, so I am the first.
Ma'am, Dev is on my rank.
Ma'am, I am on third.
Very good, very nice. Keep it up, all of you. Dev Arya and Prasun have sent the answer so far.
Ma'am, only one child also give answer.
Ma'am, I also give.
Ma'am, have you received my answer?
Yes, I have received your answer.
Ma'am, who is the third one?
Who is third?
It's Dev first, Prasun second, Anshuman third.
Ma'am, Anshuman has got 5 marks. And
Now
I
I
have
don't
3.
know. I'm not counting your marks. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am with Utsav.
Ma'am, Utsav 3, Dev 3 and I 5.
Ma'am, Anshuman is the highest scorer.
All right. Now
Ma'am,
list the tributaries of Ganga. List the tributaries of the Ganga.
ma'am, tributaries or distributaries?
Tributaries. List the tributaries of Ganga. What are tributaries? A small river that joins a big river. So the rivers that join Ganga are Ganga has got 4 tributaries. Now, which are those tributaries? Oh my God. Today, Dev Arya is on fire. He has sent me the answer. Dev Arya, what's wrong today?
What do you mean by wrong?
I'm saying Dev Arya is on fire, not wrong.
Yes, ma'am. Because I also want to chase Anshuman.
Okay. Saif Ali, second. Very good, Saif Ali. You are the second one to send the answer.
Ma'am, how many months? Ma'am, how many?
points.
Ma'am, I have
I am
four.
with Utsav.
Ma'am, I am four.
Ma'am, I am third.
Saif Ali, beta Hugli is a distributary.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hugli
go.
is not a tributary.
Ma'am, it is chance to give answer.
And
Okay.
please see my
Ma'am,
answer.
Dev
Prashant
Arya's
has
answer
sent
is
answer.
correct. Yes, I have received. Varin's answer is correct. Anshuman's answer is correct. Iram Na's answer is correct.
Ma'am, my
Yes,
Ma'am,
Kushal.
who's the first, second, third?
Kushal,
the
your
first, second,
answer is
third?
correct.
Ma'am, first is I 6 points. Ma'am, Dev second 4 points and Utsav third 3 points. Ma'am, Utsav and Saif.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Who's
tomorrow
the first, second, third?
and tomorrow I will be the first.
Okay. Now, children, a very good question for all you bright students. What is the difference between an estuary and delta? It is not given in the book. The question is not in the book. You have to think about the answer and type.
Ma'am, it's figure out.
No, not figure out. You know what an estuary is. You know what a delta is. What is the difference between an estuary and delta?
Ma'am, given. Ma'am, please see.
Yes, so I have got answer from Utsav.
Ma'am, I am the first.
When a river joins. No, beta. Your answer is not correct. No one. No one is the first one. You have given, but the answer is not correct, children. Let me see if anyone else can, because Utsav and Iram's answer is not correct.
Ma'am, my answer is correct or not? Check it.
Yes, Varun wins it. Very nice. Varun is the winner of this question. Varun, show me your face. I want to see that smile on your face.
Ma'am, I have also
That
sent.
happy smile. Yes.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
Huh? You have
And I
also
have
sent.
also sent the
Okay.
answer.
No, beta. About delta, what you have written is correct, but about estuary is not correct. The estuary part is not correct, Prasun. Anshuman, your answer is also not correct.
Ma'am, Saif answer is correct. Ma'am, my.
There's the delta. Yes, your answer is correct, but Saif Ali, the answer is correct, but it is not very well presented. There are
Ma'am,
no
is correct.
commas, there are no words used in the answer like while or but. It's not very
Ma'am, my
clear. The
answer is
presentation is
correct.
not good.
Ma'am, my answer is correct or not?
Ma'am, in exam I will write properly, ma'am, but
Yes.
so people
See,
say, ma'am, I
even
am
Varun has written it very nicely. Varun has
Ma'am, my
clearly
answer is
written it.
correct or not?
Wait,
Ma'am,
let me read.
Ma'am, my answer is
Anshuman, I'm reading your answer. Wait. Yes, very nice. Anshuman, your answer is good.
Ma'am,
I
my
always write neatly in the exams.
ma'am,
I am the first in this
ma'am,
question.
my
Wait,
answer is
I
correct
am
or not?
reading. I am reading Kushag Agarwal's answer. Wait. No,
Ma'am,
Kushag, your answer is not very well
Ma'am,
described.
ma'am, how is my?
Now, Devarya, be quiet. I'm reading yours. No, Devarya, your answer is wrong.
Ma'am, I am the highest. Ma'am, I got 7 points. Ma'am, I am the first in this question.
Now, everybody.
Ma'am, but he
Every-
cannot break my record, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I am
please
15
take my
times first.
Ma'am, not 15 times.
Children, I am typing the answer in the chat box. Please have a look.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please send to everyone. ये खत्म हो गई बस एक ही तो मैंने तो बचा है मम्मा